Welcome back to Hundreds of Tools. Whilst it's easy to overthink and get lost in all the different tool options, we're here to help you find the top car carpet detailing accessories. Often the carpets are the most overlooked part of a car's interior, so we have listed products to help clean up the mess in the order of use. Gloves to protect your hands, a vacuum to remove dirt, deep cleaning brushes, and a steam cleaner for heat and power, a cleaning spray that removes odours and stains so your carpet looks like new, and the final pass microfiber cloths to dry the area. Job done. We recommend the top car carpet detailing products on a number of different factors, including product features, independent research, and customer reviews. You can find the list of products in the description down below. Why not stick around to the end to see which products in our review are the best for you? Before we begin, be sure to like the video and subscribe to stay up to date with the best tools, equipment, and accessories out there for you. The first carpet detailing accessories are the GLOVEWORKS HD Orange Nitrile Disposable Gloves. These 8mm nitrile gloves come in 5 sizes and provide heavy duty protection as they are an excellent barrier against grime, dirt, grease and much more. The raised diamond texture surface means there is 60% more surface area to channel away liquids and provide a better grip on tools that are wet or slippery. The GLOVEWORKS HD Disposable Gloves are latex free, designed to be long lasting, durable and versatile, yet comfortable to wear for a long time during a wide variety of industrial and household jobs. Next on our list is the Craftsman CMX EV BE 17595 Wet Dry Vacuum. This is a heavy duty 16-gallon vacuum with a powerful 6.5 peak horsepower motor, great for the small or large cleaning up jobs in your car, garage, workshop or job site. It has extension wands and a variety of nozzles such as a 2.5-inch diameter nozzle with added dual flex that resists kinks and crushing because of its 180-degree mobility. The Craftsman Wet and Dry Vacuum has a quick lock and fastening system plus an extra large drain tank and blowing port. The top car interior carpet detailing brush is the Chemical Guys ACCG 25 Induro 7. This nifty heavy duty carpet brush is great on stubborn dirt, stains and debris on car carpets or floor mats. It has a heavy duty injection molded handle made from plastic and the tough synthetic bristles that stand up to years of car detailing. The Chemical Guys ACCG 25 Induro 7 interior carpet brush can be used on any automobile to scrub away grime that's been ingrained in the carpet, and most effective when used with a steam cleaner or spray for a deep clean. The BISSELL SteamShot Deluxe Steam Cleaner is the top one in this category. This steam cleaner cleans and sanitizes with the natural power of steam. It is multifunctional plus has a quick and easy to use pressure trigger. It includes 10 really useful tools such as 3 multi-purpose scrubbing brushes, a flat scraper and an angle concentrator for all those hard to reach places. The BISSELL SteamShot Cleaner is chemical free but eliminates 99.9% of germs safely with its high pressure, high temperature steam. The pet hair removing brush that we recommend for cleaning car carpets is the Lilly Brush Auto Pet Hair Remover. This pet hair cleaner is a car detailer's #1 choice to remove the trapped pet hair from car carpets, seats and mats 10 times faster than vacuuming alone. It is multi-purpose with a specially designed durable blade that will last for years. To clean, simply rinse it. The Lilly Pet Hair Remover is easy to use with great results with short strokes in various directions to gather hair in piles to vacuum away. Next we recommend the Car Guys Detailing Super Cleaner. This product uses unique cleaning technology that penetrates the surface to loosen and remove any embedded dirt, oil or grime. It is a safe, no rinse formula using nanotechnology to lift away dirt at a molecular level. The Chemical Guys Detailing Cleaner is a multi-surface cleaner as it cleans grease, mud, spilt drinks and others from the carpet, cloth, vinyl, plastic and much more, saving you time and money. Finally, the best microfiber cloths to wipe and dry the carpet are the Chemical Guys MIC 50612 microfiber towels. This set of professional grade microfiber towels has silk edges to reduce the risk of scratching when properly used and are 16 by 16 inches in size. This industrial standard cloth is super soft and absorbent, designed with one high nap side to wipe and dry the carpet or mats. The Chemical Guys MIC 50612 microscopic fiber microfibers, absorb up to 10 times their weight in liquid and are 100% lint free. So that's it, the top car carpet detailing products and accessories which got our team at Hundreds of Tools excited. If you have any helpful car detailing tips, do drop it in the comment section below. If you thought this video was useful, give it a like and hit the subscribe button so that you can stay connected and updated with all of our research into the overwhelming world of tools. We look forward to seeing you and your projects again soon. Good luck.